Look how flat it is. Like, this looks like the flattest sew-in that I've ever had. Welcome back to my channel. So back with another wig from UNice, but this is their upgraded V part, their latest one. So I'm gonna go through all of the specs and show you guys that if you missed my last video. They have all the upgrades on it now, and they don't have the actual track anymore in the front. So this is the unit, and again, it's a Yaki texture, y'all, and I just love Yaki so much because it's always just so full. This is what the top looks like now. Before, the actual track was showing, but now there's like a thin layer of hair actually covering the track. So the original V part would just have this track showing, and then if you have finer hair, like I said, that it would just be so hard to just leave a tiny bit of hair out because we don't have the density to cover this part. So it would just always peek through, or we would have to leave a bigger chunk of hair out, which you don't want to do if you're trying to protect your hair. So with this one, it has this layer now that goes over that track, and it looks like it's your hair. So when you put your hair on top, you can leave less hair because you don't have to cover anything, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these out, and just gonna cut them as close to the hair as possible without actually cutting the hair. Okay, so if you already know the details of the new wig, then I'll go ahead and put a timestamp and you can fast forward. But if not, I'll show you guys the specs. So this is what the cap construction looks like. It's still the breathable material like the last one. Like, if you guys can see, it's like a mesh material that's kind of stretchy, and then it has the silicone grips all the way around to keep it from sliding. It also has the giant comb in the back right here. It also has a clip on each side, and these are removable. You can take these out just by like sliding them out like that, and then you can put them back if you need it. And then it has the smaller clips at the top right here, and this one in the back. Y'all know I hate this one. I usually take this one out because it just hurts. And then it also came with some extra clips, and it came with 2 more of these. I don't know if it's to replace the ones on the side, or if you decide that you want to take these out right here, because sometimes these can be a little bit painful. So if you want to take these out and switch it for these ones instead, then you can totally do that. This is also removable, which I think I want to take it out, because if you watched my last video, then you know that I said that I didn't need this at all, because this is the best part yet, y'all. It has this elastic band right here. So you know, before, the wigs used to be so big, so not only are they supposed to be fitted better, then it has this elastic band just in case you need a little more, for it to be a little more snug. Then you can go ahead and just slide it, and then this rubber piece right here, it glides up and down, and then it has a little lock to keep it from moving. So you would take it like this, slide it down, and then it has this little piece right here that slides down, and that locks it in place and will keep it from moving. Now for the install, super duper quick, and it's literally going to look like a sew-in. So I'm not going to braid it this time. I'm going to do this for people who don't know how to braid, and I'm going to show you what I like to do and how easy it is.
Which man that'll fall off? Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena.
Are you niggas just some fans, huh? Ay, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up. I'm coming off the dribble, it's simple, I make them stand up. Come from where they sagging, now luxury, hold my pants up, I'm nasty. Nigga, you should ask me.
Okay, so I'm going to use these as my little anchor braids to give the hooks something to like clamp onto, so they're not sliding down my hair.
Best about the city, ask my daughter why she dabbing. Niggas got my name in their mouth while they songs in the drought. I know it's hard to get out, you should be closing your mouth. I told them only time would tell. They craving for attention, guess these niggas didn't know me well. I say nada, don't reply unless it's about $1. Oh well, okay, ha 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 ha. All these local ass niggas, just some local niggas. I'm doing shows overseas, they don't know you niggas. Hey, check the wristwatch, that's a rollie nigga. Really making mine off rap, I'm the only nigga.
Fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. And it's still west west side, Pasadena.
I'm the one from the pink house on Lost Robles. Wasn't shooting, man, we really got it off the shoulders. And that's for real. And ever since they took away money, been in my field.
So this is what the drawstring looks like in the back. And then you have the little rubber piece right here, and you just take that and slide it up, and then you take this little piece at the end, and that's supposed to like lock it in place.
I really started grinding and when it got me a deal when now I'm paid up. The times that we was down, guess it been made up. Started doing numbers, now these little niggas hate us. So what? Set the bar so high that they can't touch. Really think it's jealousy, they mad that they ain't us. Hey, but fuck that shit, man, I'm Dina Race, we'll set ablaze. And I don't give a fuck that you feel away. Word, how you niggas feel the worst way to kill a day. Focus on my paper, got direct deposit on the way. But hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me. Hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me.
Fall off. Done stood 10 toes, never fall. Y'all nigga finna ball off.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, and look how flat it is. Like, this looks like the flattest sew-in that I've ever had, and it took 10 minutes. Like, it took no time at all. So I did end up leaving out a little more hair than I wanted to because this hair is so thick and so full. It was just super full up here. So I was like, dang, I want to need to leave a little more hair out because y'all seen how flat my natural hair is. I mean, my hair is old, like it's getting dirty now, but y'all seen how flat it was. So I needed to leave just a little bit more out because this is so thick, like it is thick. So I left a little bit more out. When I did the curly one, I left way less hair out, probably like maybe the size of my pinky on each side of my part when I had the curly one, but that's big hair, so you can kind of get away with a little bit less hair, but it looks so good. It's so freaking flat. This one is also, I feel like the cap is a little bit bigger. It's way smaller than the original cap, but I felt like the curly one, that thing was snug. Like, that was hugging on my head so good. This one doesn't feel as tight, but it could be because I left out a little more hair. Like, if I probably pulled it a little bit closer, it might fit a little bit better. So if your head is a little bit bigger than mine, it should be fine. There's no drooping. It just feels like it's not as snug as the other one, and you can kind of feel it when you rub it, but you can't see it at all. Like, it looks super flat. I'm gonna put some curls in it so we can see if this hair holds curls well, because I know people like to be versatile with their wigs.
Still west side, Pasadena, never finna fall off. Done stood 10 toes, never fall. Y'all nigga finna ball off. And it's still west side, Pasadena.
Okay guys, so now I'm all done. I went ahead and added some body to it with my air wrap, and then I used the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. Yeah, Keratin Smooth as my holding spray. It's a lightweight but like flexible. It doesn't make it all crunchy and stuff. And this is how it came out. I like it a lot. The layers definitely did it for me, especially with the body added to it. Like, this is my hair, y'all. This is my hair. Okay, so this is it. I will have everything down below in the description box for you guys, including coupon codes and everything that I use. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and like, share, and comment. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.